Most cruise passengers ruin their vacation in the first hour without even realizing it. Smart cruisers, they treat boarding day like a cheat code, grabbing perks, fixing problems, and unlocking advantages most people don't even discover until day 3. One simple mistake can cost you sleep, money, upgrades, even your dream vacation. But these 25 boarding day moves guarantee you start your cruise 10 steps ahead of everyone else. And the final 2 are so powerful that cruise lines genuinely hate when passengers do them. Hit like so more travelers see this, and make sure you subscribe so you never miss the insider cruise secrets that actually matter. 1. Film your entire cabin before touching anything. One of the smartest things you can do the moment you enter your cabin is pull out your phone and record a full walkthrough before you touch a single thing. This simple habit protects you from false damage charges and gives you proof of anything that needs fixing. Open every drawer. Check the balcony door. Zoom in on the bathroom floor, the safe, and the mini fridge. Most passengers skip this, and I once met a cruiser who was charged for a cracked lampshade he didn't even notice until the last night. Your 30-second video can save you money and headaches. 2. Photograph your cabin number and location. Before you even step fully inside, take a clear photo of your cabin number, the hallway around it, and the deck map nearby. It sounds simple, but you'll be surprised how quickly every hallway on a cruise ship starts to look the same, especially after a long day or a few drinks. This quick photo also helps kids and teens remember where the room is, and it's a lifesaver if someone misplaces their key card. If you ever need guest services to help you back to your cabin, having that picture ready makes everything faster and stress-free. 3. Do a 30-second noise test. Before you unpack anything, do a quick 30-second noise test. Step outside your cabin, walk a few doors in each direction, and listen for loud families, slamming doors, or music from nearby venues. Then stand quietly in your cabin and check for noises, above or below, like pool decks, nightclubs, or crew areas. If something feels off, this is the moment to act. Guest services is far more willing to switch rooms on embarkation day than later in the cruise. Once you've unpacked and settled in, your chances of moving drop dramatically. Early action equals better sleep. 4. Sanitize high-touch items. Right after entering your cabin, spend 1 minute sanitizing the high-touch areas passengers often forget. The TV remote, door handles, light switches, phone, safe keypad, and bathroom fixtures are the real germ hotspots, not the things you'd normally think. Thousands of people use these ships every week, and while cabins are cleaned, they're not disinfected the way you might assume. A quick wipe-down sets the tone for a healthier cruise and dramatically reduces your odds of unwanted illnesses. This tiny step is especially helpful on older ships where deep cleaning varies. It's fast, easy, and genuinely worth the effort. 5. Check AC, fridge, lights, and water pressure. Before you get comfortable, take 1 minute to test the essentials: the air conditioning, the mini fridge, all the lights, and the water pressure in the shower and sink. These are the most common issues cruisers discover too late, usually after the ship has already sailed and maintenance becomes harder to schedule. If anything feels weak, warm, or not working correctly, report it immediately. Embarkation day is when the crew is most available, and repairs are handled the fastest. Fixing small problems now ensures your cabin is fully functional for the entire cruise, not just good enough for the week. 6. Request cabin tweaks. Early embarkation day is the perfect time to ask your cabin steward for small adjustments that make your stay more comfortable. Whether you need extra pillows, a softer or firmer mattress topper, a portable fan, or a bucket of ice delivered daily, ask now, before everyone else starts requesting the same things. Stewards build their schedule and routines on the first day, and they're far more flexible before the ship gets busy. These simple tweaks can completely change your comfort level for the week, and getting them handled early ensures you're not waiting days for something that should take minutes. 7. Unpack fully and stash luggage. Under the bed. Most cruisers never fully unpack, and their cabin ends up feeling cramped and chaotic all week. Smart travelers take a few minutes to put everything into drawers, shelves, and closets, then slide all luggage under the bed. This one habit practically triples your cabin space, removes visual clutter, and gives the room a much calmer feel. When your belongings are organized, you stop wasting time digging through bags and start feeling like you're actually on vacation. A tidy cabin also reduces stress, especially on longer cruises. Think of it as setting up your floating home for the week. 8. Secure valuables and set the safe code immediately. One of the easiest but most overlooked embarkation steps is securing your valuables right away. As soon as you enter your cabin, place your passport, wallet, jewelry, cash, and electronics in the safe, and set a code you'll remember. Many passengers forget to do this until after exploring the ship, leaving expensive items out in the open. Your cabin steward is trustworthy, but there are maintenance crews, luggage handlers, and other staff who may enter throughout the day. Setting the safe code immediately gives you peace of mind and ensures your most important items stay protected. 9. Skip the buffet, go somewhere smarter. The moment you board, most passengers rush straight to the buffet, turning it into the most crowded, chaotic place on the entire ship. Smart cruisers do the opposite. Head to the main dining room, a quiet cafe, or even a specialty restaurant offering embarkation lunch. These spots are calmer, cleaner, and often serve better food with faster service. Starting your vacation in a peaceful environment sets the tone for the entire week and helps you ease into cruise mode without stress. While everyone else is battling for tables at the buffet, you'll be enjoying a relaxed, crowd-free first meal. 10. Grab your dining reservations immediately. One of the first things smart cruisers do is lock in all their dining reservations the moment they board, whether it's a specialty restaurant, a teppanyaki show, or even just your preferred main dining time. The prime spots disappear fast. Many ships hold back a surprising number of reservations until embarkation day, meaning you can secure times that weren't available online. Head straight to the dining desk or use the app to claim the slots you want before the crowd start checking in. Doing this early guarantees you eat where you want, when you want, without settling for leftovers. 11. Check specialty dining embarkation-only deals. If you enjoy specialty dining, embarkation day is often the best time to buy packages or make reservations. Many cruise lines offer one-day deals or discounted bundles that aren't advertised online. Some include perks like bonus appetizers, complimentary wine, or reduced service charges. These specials tend to disappear by the end of day one because they're designed to fill early week bookings. Stop by the specialty restaurants or check the app to see what's available. Securing these deals immediately can save you a surprising amount of money and guarantee you access to the most popular venues before they book up. 12. Preview the week's menus. Before you plan any dinners or reservations, take a moment to preview the menus for the main dining room and specialty venues for the entire week. This gives you a clear idea of which nights have dishes you definitely don't want to miss, and which nights you can skip without regret. Planning ahead helps you avoid double booking, overspending, or feeling like you're missing out on something better. It also prevents those last-minute decisions where everything is already sold out. A quick review of the menus ensures your dining schedule matches your taste and helps you cruise smarter, not harder. 13. Ask about dietary accommodations. Early. If you have any dietary needs, gluten-free, vegan, low-sodium, nut allergies, or anything requiring special preparation, embarkation day is the best time to speak up. Head to the main dining room or guest services and let them know before dinner service begins. Cruise kitchens work with massive volumes of food, and they prepare best when they receive requests early. Giving them advance notice ensures your meals are safe, properly labeled, and tailored to your needs throughout the entire cruise. Many passengers wait until the first dinner, which slows everything down. Ask early and your dining experience becomes completely stress-free. 14. Check for price drops on drink, Wi-Fi, and dining packages. Most cruisers don't realize this, but prices for drink packages, Wi-Fi, and even specialty dining can change after boarding. Cruise lines sometimes adjust rates based on demand, and if you purchase something ahead of time, you may be eligible for a credit or a partial refund. It only takes a few minutes to check the app or stop by guest services. If the price is lower than what you paid, politely ask for a credit or price match. Many passengers never do this and miss out on easy savings. Embarkation day is your best chance to take advantage. 15. Grab freebies from guest services. Most passengers walk right past guest services without realizing they offer a surprising number of free items. You can pick up playing cards, postcards, ship maps, activity sheets, and even lists of hidden onboard deals that aren't advertised anywhere. Some ships also offer complimentary stationery or limited-time promotional items. These small freebies add to your cruise experience without costing you anything. Taking a quick stop here on embarkation day ensures you get the best selection before supplies run out. It's a simple, often overlooked hack that gives you a little extra value right from the start. 16. Confirm your onboard credit totals. One of the easiest ways passengers lose money on a cruise is by not checking their onboard credit balance early. Credits can come from promotions, travel agents, loyalty status, or compensation, but they don't always load automatically. Embarkation day is the perfect time to confirm the total, so you know exactly how much spending power you have before you start booking drinks, excursions, or spa treatments. Many cruisers don't realize they have unused credits until the last day, when it's too late to use them. A quick check at guest services or on the app ensures nothing goes to waste. 17. Turn on airplane mode and confirm your Wi-Fi plan. Before sailing, before the ship pulls away from port, switch your phone to airplane mode and make sure your Wi-Fi plan is activated. This simple step prevents accidental roaming charges, which can skyrocket into hundreds of dollars before you even realize your phone is connected to a foreign tower. Open the cruise app, confirm that your internet package is active, and test it while you're still docked. If anything isn't working, guest services can fix it immediately. Many passengers wait until they're already at sea when the lines are long and the charges have already started. Do it early and save yourself stress and money. 18. Take advantage of Embarkation Day spa discounts. Embarkation Day is one of the only times the spa offers genuine discounts. Many ships run first-day promotions on massages, facials, thermal suite passes, and bundled treatments. Some even offer complimentary mini-sessions, product samples, or guided spa tours that help you understand what's worth booking. If you love spa services, heading there early can save you a surprising amount of money. By day 2, the rates jump back to normal and prime appointment times fill up fast. Smart cruisers stop by, check the deals, and secure their ideal slot while everyone else is still at the buffet. 19. Complete your muster drill. Immediately. Every passenger must complete the muster drill, but smart cruisers get it done right away. If your ship allows digital viewing, watch the safety video as soon as you board, then walk to your muster station to check in. Doing this early helps you avoid the big crowds that pile up later, and it gives you the rest of the afternoon completely free to relax or explore. More importantly, taking a few minutes to learn the exact route to your muster station means you won't be scrambling or confused in a real emergency. The sooner you complete it, the smoother your day becomes. 20. Explore the ship when it's still empty. The first hour or two on board is the quietest your ship will ever be, which makes it the perfect time to explore. This is when you can wander freely, take photos without crowds, and discover hidden corners like secret decks, aft lounges, adults-only sanctuaries, tucked-away whirlpools, or quiet reading areas with ocean views. Knowing these spots early means you can escape the busy areas later in the cruise, especially on sea days. While most passengers rush to the buffet or their cabins, smart cruisers use this rare quiet window to unlock the ship's best-kept secrets. 21. Register kids and teens at their clubs ASAP. If you're traveling with kids or teenagers, one of the smartest moves you can make on Embarkation Day is heading straight to the youth clubs. Popular events like science labs, themed parties, behind-the-scenes ship tours, and late-night activities often have limited spots that fill up quickly. Early registration also gives your child a chance to meet the staff, explore the rooms, and feel comfortable before the crowds arrive. That early confidence makes drop-offs later in the cruise far smoother. For parents, this simple step creates built-in free time throughout the week. Register early, and the whole family benefits. 22. Sign up for reward-based activities. Some onboard activities run on reward or point systems that last the entire cruise, and the passengers who join on day 1 get a huge advantage. Trivia leagues, scavenger hunts, sports tournaments, and even casino programs often award points that accumulate throughout the sailing. Those points can lead to real prizes, free drinks, merch, photo credits, or exclusive event access. Many cruisers don't realize the programs have already started until day 2 or 3, when it's too late to catch up. Signing up right away gives you more opportunities to play, earn, and enjoy the perks that others miss entirely. 23. Visit the gym, spa, and thermal suite. While they're empty, Embarkation Day is the quietest you will ever see the fitness center, spa, or thermal suite. This is the perfect time to walk through, test the equipment, and book early morning class slots before they fill up. You can also secure lockers, explore the thermal suite areas, and learn about special wellness events offered later in the week. These spaces will be packed starting tomorrow, so visiting them now gives you the freedom to choose the best times and services without waiting. A quick tour on day 1 ensures your wellness and fitness plans are locked in before the rush begins. 24. Go to guest services to fix any cabin issue immediately. If anything in your cabin isn't right, whether the beds are set up wrong, your dining time is incorrect, a balcony door won't close properly, or you were accidentally placed in a connecting room you didn't want. Embarkation day is the moment to fix it. Guest services has the most flexibility before the ship sails. They can still move guests, adjust assignments, and correct mistakes while inventory is available. Waiting even a few hours can mean every option is gone. Report issues immediately, politely, and clearly. Early problems are fixable. Later problems are simply the ones you're stuck with. 25. Ask the magic question. Are there any upgrades available today? This single question has changed entire vacations for many cruisers. On embarkation day, cruise lines often still have unsold ocean view, balcony, mini-suite, or even full suite cabins, and they may offer them at deeply reduced rates just to fill the ship. In some cases, when the sailing isn't fully booked, passengers are moved for free. The key is asking politely, early, and before long lines form. You risk nothing by asking, but the payoff can be enormous. More space, better views, priority perks, and an entirely upgraded cruise experience. Smart cruisers always ask because sometimes magic really does happen. You now know 25 things smart cruise passengers do the moment they board, the things that save money, fix problems, boost comfort, and unlock perks most people never discover. Comment smart cruiser. If you do at least 5 of these, let's see how many of you qualify. And if you found this helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share this with your favorite cruise buddy.